What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. In this video we will be showing you exactly how to do a push-up no matter how weak you are. Let's dive right into the video. How to do a push-up no matter how weak you are. Push-ups are an excellent movement for the chest, the triceps, and the shoulders a little bit. So what you want to do first to do the push-up is, if you can't do a push-up, what you want to do is work on negatives, which negatives is just the lowering slowly with the bottom part. So, okay. So what you're going to do is shoulder blades back and slowly lower down. Go back up, slowly lower down if you can't do the push-up. All right? If you can do negative push-ups, like doing those, like just slowly going down, once you can do a decent amount of those, then you're ready to move on to push-ups. So that's a trick that you can use. So whenever you can't do a push-up, if you can't do a push-up right now, slowly go down and let yourself down slowly, and then you can worm back up or just get back up with your hands and knees. And then, so yeah, just slowly go down and then get back up. Breathe through it. So once you can do that, decent amount of them, then you can do normal push-ups. You should be able to do normal. Pretty easy. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notifications bell for more videos. Click the link in the description. Also click our most recent video. The end card's about to be shown, and I'll talk to you guys later. God bless.